promise I will start this video and this day after I finish my iced coffee and get dressed. Good morning, TL Travelers, and welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. I'm in Seminyak now. Last time you saw me, I was in Canggu in Bali. For those of you who aren't aware, and if you're not aware, where you been, hit that subscribe button because we've been posting for this whole journey. I'm in a new hotel now, obviously. So I'm gonna show you around here well, I'll do it right now real quick. So this is where we're at. This is my suite. Sorry if it's like really echoey, but it's very, it's like concrete walls kind of situation, very open. Shower, sink, that's the toilet room right there, and bathtub sort of all in like this space, and then it's just open to the rest of the room here. And then if you go outside onto the balcony, I've got like a view of the pool. Open. Have a view of the pool down here. And back out here on the balcony, I will also tell you that we went to Ubud yesterday and did like a short little stop into a new hotel there, which looks really cool. And then I moved to Seminyak, which brings you to where we're at right now. So the plan for today is to check out a few different spots in Seminyak, see what the cool hip stuff is going on. Potato Head, obviously, and then I'm gonna just sort of see where the day takes me. And then I also want to check out this like cool little coffee shop situation that I've heard a lot about. So I'm gonna do that, but like later in the day when I could use another coffee, not like now to put more coffee on top of the coffee that I just finished. So hit that subscribe button, stick around, and let's go adventuring, shall we? So this is Potato Head here, which is actually really, really close to my hotel. But this is it like from the beach side. So it really does have like a beautiful view of the beach.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so I am back from my day. It has been a long, hot day, I'm not gonna lie, which, no complaints. I'm in Bali, I want it to be hot, but holy cow. So I did a little bit of restaurant hopping, a little bit of beach club hopping. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know how I feel about Potato Head. I kind of feel like it's been, like, I don't know, talked up to be more than what it's really worth. I don't know. That's just my opinion. I did manage to check out a few other places as well though that I didn't really put into the video. I stopped by Mano Beach House, which is one that I really, really liked. And then I tried to go to Coup d'etat because that's another one like Potato Head that's been, like, people say it all the time, oh, if you're going to Seminyak, you have to go to Coup d'etat, da-da-da. Everything looked good, the food looked great, the atmosphere looked great, all that looked great, but like no one would serve me. It was really bizarre. They like led me in, told me that I could sit wherever I wanted for food and drinks, so I chose a table. No one came to my table, and then I like flagged someone over to be like, hey, I just wanted to get like some food and drinks, can you bring me a menu? After like 10 minutes, and then someone brought me a drink menu, like dropped it on the table and then left. Didn't bring me a food menu, but everyone around me was eating, so I know it's like totally possible to eat. And then no one ever even came back to get my drink order. So after like 20 minutes or something just sitting there, I was like, this is so not worth it. So I left. So those are my brief reviews of like the two most popular clubs, Potato Head and Coup d'etat, in Seminyak right now. So I don't know, do with that information what you will, but I will probably go back to Mano Beach Club because it just like was chill vibes, really nice, view of the beach, everything like that, and the service was good, which was, you know, helpful. So anyways, back in the room now, obviously, sweating a mess, so I am going to get myself cleaned up and then I'm going to bed because next stop is gonna be home. That's right, folks, I am heading home to Canada. Yeah, but heading home when it's summertime, which is a first for me. Usually I head home and it's freezing cold waiting for me, so I'm not like so upset about it. And also, for those of you who don't know, Derek and I, we're building a house, so that's a whole sort of thing that's been going on behind the scenes that I can't wait to get you guys caught up on. So if you've not already hit that subscribe button, definitely do it. Where you been? We post new travel content every Thursday and Sunday. And until next time I see you, stay great, travel safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.